All right, everyone, we're back again. Today, a new unboxing. This one surprised me. I didn't expect it till later in the week. FedEx updated and said it wasn't going to be here till tomorrow, which would be Monday. And just a few short hours ago, I got a knock on my door and the guy's like, "Hey, Mr. Chase, this you?" Yeah. I was like, "What the heck is this?" And then I noticed the tape. It says Kessler. You guys, here it is. The Kessler Cine Shooter. There's some other stuff in this package, as you guys can tell. I haven't opened it up yet because I want to unbox it for you guys. I am so excited for this. I have to thank Scott Balcom. Go check out his channel. I'll try to link it somewhere here or in the description. Scott, thank you for encouraging me not only to get this, but to get the Komodo, which this is going to be a perfect match for the Komodo. I've been on this crazy 3D step and repeat trying to train myself kick, and this is just going to make stuff so much easier. Let's take a look. So with this, I know that this is a brand new thing for Kessler. So thanks for letting me be part of your first wave of customers to get this. I'm very excited. So let's see what we have inside. Do not cut your fingers off with your knife, by the way. First thing, oh my God, I cannot believe this came with this paper. All right, so I have inside of this, I have, okay, this is, so Kessler offered this great deal that if you had one of their older products, so I have a Kessler Cine Slider, it's a 3-foot. I had the old Oracle controlled one. So they did a buyback with it. So some of the stuff I didn't need to send back, so that's what this appears to be. This is probably another one of the things I sent in for the buyback program that I didn't need to. And let's see. No, this is, what is this? This is some sort of, oh, okay, this is a V-mount battery adapter for the Cine Slider. I ordered this when I confirmed my order. Apparently the Cine Slider, we'll see, comes with a bullet connector to the wall. This will give you the ability to do the V-mount. They also have a gold mount version. So it looks like it's just gonna slide in just somewhere on the Cine Slider. That'll be great. Let's see, my old motor mount. And I don't know if this is a new one or an old one. I think this is the old motor that I sent in. So when you did their trade in your old controller for the new system, I didn't realize you just didn't send everything that had to do with the motion control. You just basically had to send back the controller. So I came from the Oracle days where it was all analog. So yeah, I overshipped. So the first actual brand new thing for sure outside of the V-mount is the Kessler quick release receiver. Again, something that was highly suggested to me by Scott and by the guys over at Kessler, that I should make sure I have one of these. It's going to be very critical for future use. And also probably going to be buying a few more of these if they work out as well as everyone says they do. This way I can put the base plate on the Komodo and just put it on the Ronin on this, on a tripod, and it'll be a lot easier. And we have right here, okay, so this is the second shooter motor that I needed. Unfortunately, this guy isn't compatible. So if you have an old analog system with the Oracle, you're gonna have to upgrade to a new motor if you want the slide from the slider. And here we go. This is the Cine Shooter. There's one more thing in here. It's a piece of paper. Let's see what this thing says. Thank you for giving us a lot of money. That is pretty much what it says. No, it's just the invoice stuff. So there we go. Has a nicely branded box. Got to bring the knife out one more time just to get around this package tape and let's see what is inside. So again, a letter from Eric Kessler. Congratulations on your new Cine Shooter, motion pan tilt head. I'm not going to read the whole thing. Some instructions, which from a couple of the videos I've seen, I will probably actually need to read this. At least read it to understand the setup. It has a lot of things on it, and we'll take a look at that in a second on the real one. It has a display on the front. It looks like it has a little joystick on the front. Can take a lot of inputs, and we'll go into that. More packaging stuff. Let's see what's under this panel. Nothing. But here she is. The Cine Shooter herself, probably about 3-4 pounds. Not heavy at all relative to what I thought it would have been. So as you guys can see, 3 Ethernet type ports, Cat 5, I'm guessing, or 6. Control in and out. Power in. External source. It looks like maybe a USB-C. Don't know for sure. Has another control port out. On the front, it has a display, toggle, I don't know if I call this a joystick, but sure. Menu buttons and what appears to be maybe a power button. Or no, just decorative. And then you have the tilt arm. It's going to get loud. So it has a base plate here to set it up on your slider. And this actually, from what I can feel, this will turn, this will turn. So this is going to be a really useful tool. Let's go deeper into the box. And here we go. Yep, USB-C to USB-A. Some threading for what I will assume will be to mount your camera onto the actual unit itself. And your power cable. And that looks like that's it for right now. Yep. So you guys, that was a basic unboxing. I'm probably going to end up posting this unboxing with no video of this in action yet. I think it's gonna, I don't think this is like a once off, you go pull this thing out, mount it to your slider and you're off and running. I think there is gonna be some learning time behind this, but it's a super solid design. Looks like the V-mount adapter goes in magnetically. That's interesting. That is gonna mag mount. Right. Again, gonna have to learn and figure out exactly how all this stuff ties in together. But I'm assuming it'll mount something like this. There is some magnetic mounts here. Even the knife will mount. Probably not a good idea. So we're gonna see how all of this stuff works out, you guys. And I'll get a video up for you hopefully in the next couple weeks. I'm looking forward to using this thing. I really am, especially with this, with me being on this 3D, 2D integration, live action in 3D. Hopefully we'll see some good projects come out of it. Till next time, guys. Thank you.